Hi students, welcome back to third standard English class. So children, in the previous video, we heard a beautiful story about the two couples, Philemon and Baucis, husband and wife, and they were too helpful to everyone. Now moving on to next, in the page number 97, here we have a grammar. So here the topic today is about simple past tense. So let us know what do you mean by simple past tense. Here some sentences are given. Let's read it from the lesson and then try to understand. A sentence is been created to make a meaningful and to understand with help of the verbs, action words. The disease, the stranger's touch turned to gold. So in the story I told you, the dishes were there. Like eatable things, dishes means eatable things was displayed on the table. And when they touched that eatable things, when the stranger touched it, it turned into a gold. See, turned. Turned is a main verb there. T-U-R-N-E-D. So, how that sentence has been turned into simple past, we will understand it. We can come to page number 98 now. Let us see the one more sentence here. One old cow gave them milk and they had a little field in which they grew grain. So these things, when it took place, this story, when it was taken place in the past somewhere, sometime, even we don't know. Okay, before it was taken place, I don't know where, in the past, like yesterday what things happens, that is called past tense. First remember the main topic here, main thing. What the activities or the things, whatever is happened yesterday, fine. Yesterday was Gandhi Jayanti. So that whatever you have done, that whatever activities you have done, what new things you have done there, where you had gone, that all things comes under the simple past tense. First remember that. Try to understand it. Today what you are doing right now, today 3rd October, what you are doing now, what the whole day, what activities you have done. So these things comes under present tense, simple present tense. And one more is there, future tense. It means whatever thing you are going to do it tomorrow. Somebody have planned that tomorrow you'll go to, tomorrow as it is Sunday, you'll go for picnic, or you'll go to see the movie, or you'll to temple, anywhere you can go. So that thing that you are going to go, you are willing to go somewhere tomorrow, that comes under future tense. So please first make it clear. Today whatever you are going, whatever thing, whatever sentence you are going to, what the sentence, you have to see that if it is simple thing, that thing you are doing today, it comes under simple present tense. The thing which you have done it yesterday, the past, and in that past you have to, with the verb, you have to use the word ed. If the word and the ed comes, you should understand that the thing has been done in the past, that is yesterday, and in the future one more special word is there. It comes as will, that I will go to picnic tomorrow. If the word, you see the word will there, then that sentence will be done, the activity will be done tomorrow. So this is the difference between three tenses here. Please try to make it clear and understand it. So let us see what is given in the book here. When do you think these things took place? Sometime ago, past. Yeah, I told you, sometime ago means yesterday, and another dates which has been passed away, that is past. Now today what's happening right now, it's present, and in the future what will be going to happen in the future, that is called future tense. The sentence is talk about actions that happened some time ago, actions or activity. The sentences are in simple past tense. We use this tense to talk about actions that are over. The simple past form of some verbs are made by adding ed, d or ied to the main verb. So I told you that today we are learning only about simple past tense. I told you that simple past tense happens, the things which, the activities, the actions which have been completed yesterday only, the thing which you have done it already. Like yesterday we did October 2, it was Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, and we celebrated it. With our type told celebrated. So the actions which you have done yesterday, for that words we will add ed, we will add d, or we will add ied. In the verb, in the action verb word, when you see these words ed, d and ied, you should understand that the action, the work has been done in the past, or that it means that yesterday. So examples here: touch plus ed touched, care plus d cared, stop plus ed stopped, try plus ed tried. So these things, I stopped yesterday, I stopped doing bad things. Like you can frame a sentence, because it was Mahatma Gandhi ji, and I got a promise, okay, from my parents that I will be like a Mahatma Gandhi. I stopped doing bad work. And tried means yesterday I tried to prepare a speech. I spoke a speech. That you have done it yesterday only. Okay, like touched. Yesterday you have touched something bad thing like electricity or something which is very dangerous for you. You have done it yesterday. Yesterday you took care of your younger brothers and sisters. I take care of everything. I cared about my books, about my studies. So whatever you have done it yesterday, if you see the word ed, d, id, then you should understand that the word is being transferred into the past tense and it has been done yesterday only. And the normal words like touch, care, stop, go, come, so these all words comes under the today's, that is simple present tense. So now let's focus on to simple past only. The simple past forms of some verbs are different from the basic forms. Examples: am, is. So simple past, the word is changed into a past tense. Like am, is, it comes under present. So the past of am, is was. I was dancing yesterday. Like this you can prepare. Do, does. So today do, does, it comes. But when we make a sentence about the yesterday what thing has done, so that we have to put here did. I did some new things yesterday. In this way, are will turn to where, give will turn to gave, have to had, sit to sat, go to went, and see to saw. So here the right hand side corner words are in present tense and the left hand side corners words are in past tense. So remember and by heart these words. Am and is, was. Do and does, did. Are, were. Give, gave. Have, had. Sit, sat. Go, went. See, saw. So these all words have been changed to past tense. So try to read these words and remember it and by heart it. Some verbs remain the same in the simple past, and here some words will remain the same. We won't add ed, we won't add id, or we won't add d, anything. So what are those words? For example, cut, cut, shut, shut, set, set, read, read. So these types of words, if it is there, we won't add any ed or d or it. The things remain the same. If you do this thing today, cut only. If you cut it yesterday, it will remain cut only. Today I cut the vegetables. Okay, yesterday I had cut the vegetables. We don't say that yesterday I cutted the vegetables. You will not add ed, it's wrong. So if you have done it today or if you have done it yesterday also, without adding ed, these words will remain the same. Same words will remain. Like today, I shut the door. Okay, yesterday also I shut the door. You won't add I shutted the door. You won't tell that. That is a wrong word. It remains wrong forever. Set and read. Today, see, I read the book. Yesterday also you read the book. Like yesterday I was reading the book. You can here use the word was. Like yesterday you were reading the book. So here again read. Read will remain the same. So try to remember which words change to in past tense and which word won't change in the past tense. You by heart these words and look at the words and carefully and read it. So here some words are there. Let us change it into past tense. These words are now in present. We will change into past. So what it will do? If you want to change some verbs or words into past tense, what you will add? You will add ed. First one, kicked, smiled, pushed, lived, knocked, worked. So these are the words which have been changed into past tense. You have to use only ed and change it. So again some more sentences we'll see which are been used in the past form, and verbs will change the verbs in sentence. Like am will change to, see the up there it is there, see, am is changed in the past, it is was. Has to, had. Do to, did. Visit to, visited. Go to, went. Sit to, sat. Read will remain the same, read only. Block to, blocked. So how the words are changed here, you can just see the sentence and read it. I was at home. Arfa had fever. People did the work. We visited our grandparents last week. Meena went to school yesterday. Ramesh sat next to me in English class. Mother read a story to us last night. The fallen tree blocked the road. So this present tense verbs are being changed to past tense. You can look at the up column and see how we have changed the words and how we have created a beautiful sentence which will understand it. Whatever things you have done it yesterday. Yesterday you were at home. Here Arfa, yesterday she was not feeling well. People did many work in the past. Your parents visited to the zoo or anywhere last week. Meena went to school yesterday. Yesterday she had gone to school. Ramesh was sitting next to Eve in the English class. That was also yesterday's work. Mother read a story to last night. She made you while she was sleeping. She told you a beautiful story, which was also done yesterday. And the fallen tree blocked the road. It was also been done yesterday. If you say the fallen tree blocked the road, it comes under today's work by present tense. But here we are learning about simple past. So here, if you add the word ed, the activity has been done yesterday. So students, try to understand. If you don't understand, please open this video, look it again and again. You will understand it. And remember that the word which has been added ed, d, ied are past tense, and some words remains the same. Thank you. Have a nice